Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming access. Is this a personal account or a managed one? Once you know that, sign into the account on the device you'll use and make sure you have admin rights if it's managed. Next, open the platform settings where restricted data mode lives, for example account settings or Google/YouTube preferences. This first action is essential because restricted mode changes apply to the signed-in identity. Without proper access, you can't flip the setting. Now you'll navigate into Privacy or Account Preferences and locate the Restricted Mode or Parental Controls section. Once there, turn the Restricted Mode toggle off and choose to save or apply the change. This ensures the platform stops filtering content. If you're on a managed network, also check router or DNS filtering. Make sure device-level or network-level blocks aren't re-enabling restrictions. If on mobile, verify app-specific settings too, because app and browser. To finish, sign out and sign back in, then test content that was previously restricted. This confirms the change. If restrictions persist, clear cache and cookies or open an incognito window to rule out stale settings. Make sure the device isn't using filtered DNS or a parental control app. If it is, disable or reconfigure those. If the account is managed and you can't change it, contact your administrator. Only they can remove organization-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.